Hello, this is Mike Young, elder law attorney in Walnut Creek, California. And I would like to talk a little about gifting and qualification for Medi-Cal for a single person. So let's say we have a single person who has Alzheimer's disease and they're a patient in a skilled nursing facility and they're using up their Medicare days and they want to apply for Medi-Cal because they don't want to have to pay $9,000 or $10,000 a month for the fee for a skilled nursing facility. Some are more and some are less than that. So for qualification for Medi-Cal, we look at all the assets of the Medi-Cal applicant. And of course they can have a home, but we take steps to establish the home as an exempt asset, and then we can take steps to protect the home from a Medi-Cal lien. The applicant can have any amounts of qualified funds, such as IRAs and 401ks. They can have a car. They can have a prepaid funeral services plan. They can have up to $1,500 cash value in a life insurance policy. After that, basically everything is counted, and the applicant then cannot have more than $2,000 cash. If they have more than $2,000 in cash, they cannot qualify for Medi-Cal. So you can either spend down the money or gift the money. Medi-Cal still allows for gifting. They have a penalty divisor of $8,092. So let's say we have a single person who has $22,000, and as I mentioned, they can only have not more than $2,000 in cash. So they can gift $20,000. So let's say the Medi-Cal applicant gifts the $20,000 to a child. We divide the $20,000 by the penalty divisor, $8,092. So if you divide 20,000 by 8092, you come up with 2.47, and we round that down to 2. So the Medi-Cal applicant has 2 months of ineligibility for Medi-Cal. So, and Medi-Cal looks back 30 months. So this person then would be ineligible for 2 months. If they made the gift in January 2015, they would be ineligible for Medi-Cal for January and ineligible for February, but would be eligible for March 2015. Let's say the Medi-Cal applicant has $42,000. So they can have $2,000, but now the applicant has $40,000 too much. Let's say the person has 2 children. So on the same day we can gift $20,000 to one child, $20,000 to the second child, and the periods of ineligibility run simultaneously. So we still only have 2 months of ineligibility. So these are basically the gifting rules for a single person in California for Medi-Cal, with a 30-month look-back period. When the Deficit Reduction Act comes to effect in California, which could be any time, they are going to implement a 5-year look-back period. And if we gift $20,000, for instance, within the last 5 years and come up with our 2 months period of ineligibility, the ineligibility period will start when the applicant is in a nursing home. So if they are in a nursing home in May 2015 and they've incurred 2 months of ineligibility, they will be ineligible for May and June. We are presently still under the old 30-month look-back rules, but I always encourage everybody to get on my email list and my Elder Law Today newsletter list so that they can be updated when these new DRA rules come into effect. If you would like additional information, you can go to my website, walnutcreekelderlaw.com, and please feel free to contact my office for any information. Our number is 925-256-0298. Thank you.